Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video and your daily updates on Bitcoin. And welcome to the channel if you're new. We'll do a full update on the markets right now. I mean, yesterday we did, and we already said that as well yesterday when we talked about Bitcoin in the morning, that it looked like we had found some sort of a local bottom at 50,000, right? 50,000 so far has been the bottom. We got a little bit of a mean reversion across the markets if you look at Bitcoin right here, but also if you look at something like the total 3, so the entire altcoin market also got a bit of a mean reversion, which is good. But this move, like the situation we are in right now, I think at least, and we'll look at multiple things in a moment, all right, kind of to estimate whether we can actually get a little bit more bullish from here or whether a lower low is to be expected. Because yes, we put in a local bottom, but that doesn't necessarily mean that that's the bottom, right? So yeah, but right now we're kind of in that phase where, all right, well, we have had the worst for now under the current circumstances with the recession fears and with the fears about escalation in the Middle East. We've had that, at least for now, all right, until something changes. If there's any development in those situations, the market can go higher or lower. But now what you can see with Bitcoin is that for me, the most important level, and we talked briefly about that yesterday already, is kind of this level right here at 56,000. Like if we really want to be bullish again, we need to break above that. And as you can see, historically, it's also just a strong level, all right? It's a well-respected level. And so far, we've respected that. And at this moment, you can also see, I'm not sure what the momentum is doing, but at this moment, you can also see technically we are very much rejecting off of that. So as long as that's the case, momentum is also still very low, and you do need, I mean, if we really want to see a bullish Bitcoin, we not only need to see a technical breakout above that level, but also momentum. And at this moment, I just don't see that, all right? So I want to be bullish on Bitcoin, but for now, I remain bearish. Now, what makes me, see, I think the situation in the Middle East, I cannot say much about that, all right? We'll have to wait for that. We'll have to wait what happens, and we'll have to wait what to kind of, how it will develop in the next week. But then if you look at the stock market, for example, like if you look at the Nikkei right here, which was one of the asset markets which was doing very bad, or at least which was down a lot. Nikkei is up 10% right here. You can see the S&P 500 pre-market is trading a little bit higher, at least than the bottom yesterday. The bond or the Nasdaq, same story. The bond yields are falling down. So at least from the recession fears side, I think there's a little bit of more stability, all right? And for example, on Thursday, we have some new economic news, economic data coming out, which will tell us more of the story about what to expect from the recession fears, etc. So for now, and I will keep you updated on this, all right? If anything happens, I'll make some sort of an update to tell you what's going on and what to expect. But for now, honestly, I just expect consolidation, all right? I don't see enough momentum to get the bullish breakout. I don't think the fundamental situation has changed for the worse, so that we would expect some sort of a bearish breakout. And then historically, if we look back at the levels we're at right now, somewhere between like 50,000 and 57,000 is where I think we'll consolidate for now. So that also means that right now we're falling down towards this level right here at 52, 54. I do expect that to hold, all right? And if the fundamental situation changes, then we can break out, all right? Do I expect that for now? No. I might even try a short from 57,000 because I think it's going to be very, very tough to break above that. So we might actually get a bounce down from there. But no, for now, like I said, we're very much in that phase where we have to get some strong confirmation to know the continuation of the direction of the market. And for now, I don't see anything technically nor fundamentally that's indicating some sort of a breakout is coming soon. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. The market is very correlated. So look for cryptos that are not correlated or that actually have some of momentum on their own or of their own, all right? that's what I would say. Those are my thoughts for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.